Are you ready to transform your golf game with precision data and professional insights, just like the pros? Imagine having a personal coach and a state-of-the-art simulator in your golf bag. Today, we're reviewing the Full Swing Kit Launch Monitor, a device trusted by none other than Tiger Woods himself. The Full Swing Kit isn't just another gadget, it's a game changer. It utilizes patented machine learning enhanced radar technology, delivering incredibly accurate readings in a compact design. This advanced system ensures you get reliable data every single time. This powerful monitor captures an impressive 16 points of club and ball data. From carry distance and spin rate to face angle and club path, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of your swing. Plus, a 4K camera with 1080p output records your swing for visual analysis. Designed with the golfer in mind, the Full Swing Kit is incredibly compact. It fits easily into your golf bag, allowing you to take your practice sessions anywhere. Setup is quick and hassle-free, eliminating the need for alignment sticks or calibration. Simply place the unit down, select your club, and align to your target using the video alignment feature. Its 5-hour battery life ensures your range sessions won't be cut short. Practice longer and smarter, whether indoors or out. The Full Swing Kit offers unparalleled connectivity with your iOS devices. See instant feedback on its OLED screen, hear data through headphones, or check your Apple Watch. For deeper analysis, dive into the Full Swing app on your iPhone or iPad. Beyond the range, experience virtual golf at home. The kit includes an E6 Connect Perpetual package with 5 courses and 15 practice areas for iOS. Transform any space into a world-class golf simulator. As Tiger Woods famously states, knowledge is so valuable in the game of golf. The Full Swing Kit provides all the data you need to progress. It's about understanding why your ball flies the way it does. This monitor breaks down every swing, offering insights into crucial metrics. It helps you track trends over time, manage your bag, and share progress with coaches. This level of detail is essential for serious improvement. Let's look at a few critical data points. Carry distance tells you how far the ball travels in the air, vital for club selection. Spin rate significantly impacts ball flight, height, and rollout, helping you optimize trajectory. Club path reveals the horizontal direction of your club head before impact. Understanding if you're swinging in to out or out to in is key to shaping shots. These insights empower you to make targeted adjustments. The Full Swing Kit Launch Monitor is more than a tool. It's an investment in your golf future. With its professional-grade accuracy, portability, and comprehensive data, you'll gain the knowledge to truly improve. Don't just guess at your game. Measure it, understand it, and master it. Ready to experience the difference? Click the link in the description and get your Full Swing Kit Launch Monitor today. Start practicing smarter and playing better.